This update, there's a camera, a sweet tripod, over there by the picnic benches, and headset. What is it doing there? Interesting. Wonder if Suzuki's. You know who could be? Well, anyhow, we'll get back to that issue later. Meanwhile, here's how the sky looks at this, 5:30 manifestation of the drum circle abandonment. Juba got in there and be the spoiler there for a minute. He's a great leader, but a terrible drummer. Oh, don't tell him I said. Oh no. Am I going to put this on? I never edit.